Monthly Bell.
So guys, today in this podcast, we're gonna do something a bit differently because today specifically, we're gonna use English in honor of our special guest.
Dr. Pesta Maria yang Sinaga MPD.
Nah, jadi di podcast kali ini kita akan menggunakan sedikit perbedaan nih. Kita itu menggunakan bahasa Inggris untuk tamu terhormat kita yaitu Pesta.
School Principal Supervisor for South Jakarta's region. Okay, but firstly, before we get into our podcast, we want to introduce you to ourselves. So, my name is best friend of the ambassador.
My name is Ambassador of SMB 12 Jakarta Library.
Okay, thank you.
And for our middle school listener, get ready because we are about to learn new insight, get inspired, and hear some interesting stories. So, without further delay, let's
Jump
get
into our conversation. Okay, so before we get into our main questions, I want to ask you a few questions. I want to ask you one question mainly about how you're feeling today. So our question is,
How do you feel about being in our podcast? Maybe you could tell us a little bit about it.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy knowing you because you have some confidence to meet me. So yeah, we make as a friend, yeah. And then Saka, and then Bagus. Yeah, your English is quite excellent. Yeah, thank you so much for inviting me.
thank you so much for your answer, ma'am. That's really great to hear. Thank you for sharing your feelings, and let's get into our podcast. So, in this podcast, we're gonna ask a few questions, mainly on literacy and
What is a book you've recently read that you think is most relevant to the world of education today?
I think reading is very important. So through reading some books, you can do anything. You know everything in the world. You know about writing, you know Sumatera, Adam, Aceh, and you know the world through reading. So yeah, you can just read everything. Just read. Yeah. It is make you wiser, and maybe you want to do something through information from the book. Yeah.
Thank you for your answer. That's great to hear.
Okay.
Nah, jadi teman-teman, kata Bu Pesta itu buku itu sangatlah menarik dan sangatlah penting untuk ilmu dan pengetahuan kita. Buku itu juga bisa membuat kita lebih pintar, lebih terbuka pikirannya karena kita dari buku itu bisa mendapat informasi dari luar, misalnya yang di Aceh, Padang, Sumatera, dan lain-lain.
Okay, so for the second question, if you had to recommend one book genre for educators, what would it be and why?
As I say I don't say that this is book you have to know. Luckily, but because good academic, good in academic, good in health, then good in character, good in spiritual question, and then you know about sustainable environment. You don't need only one book. So every book, so every book you should you know what is the complaint about that. And then it's very important to go to avoid the anything. So you could see
Everyone's new topics.
yes, new topics,
And they make
ask
comments
them.
about it.
Yeah, ask them about reading.
Oh, that's really good. Thank you, Ma'am Pesta, for answering. That is really interesting.
Oke, nah teman-teman, tentang pesta, cara untuk meningkatkan minat baca dari para siswa ini, itu tuh kita bisa aja untuk membuat desain suatu tim. Nah, di dalamnya itu tuh kita harus bisa berkoordinasi bersama kepala sekolah untuk mengganti topik yang akan kita baca maupun kita presentasi setiap bulannya. Karena dengan adanya topik yang berbeda, bacaan yang berbeda, presentasi yang berbeda, itu akan membuka wawasan dari sebuah anak.
One friend Francis, you know Francis sekolah itu.
Let's get to our fourth question.
Alright, for the fourth question, the topic is gonna be about PKKS, and so goes on. So for our fourth question is, what are the main aspects you focus on in PKKS when evaluating the principal's performance?
That is a fantastic question.
Yeah.
So smart. Okay, actually we want to do some opinion related to the principal how to manage the student how to manage the teachers in what we call it student assessment program. How to manage just comparison and how to manage related to the mapping of the students and how to manage related to
Okay, so let's move on to our next question.
How can we build a strong reading interest among students in this digital era?
How can we build like a strong reading interest among students in this digital era? Because in this digital era, most of the students wouldn't like to read a book. They would just like scroll phones and stuff. So how can we build a strong reading interest among them?
Maybe you can decide based on the theme. You know, theme. Let's say that on January, let's say go to kepala sekolah dan headmaster, they are going to the class to talk about novel. And on January, we talk about on March, we are talking about declaration. And the next month, we have a chance and tell the student how this is going to be. In the spiritual question, and then we know about sustainable environment, we don't need only one book. So every book, you should you know what is the complaint about that. And then you know many information from the book, and then you know how to avoid something. If there is flooding, December, you don't go to everywhere on December. How do you know that?
That's right.
That's right.
So reading is very important for everyone.
That's a really great answer. Thank you so much for answering my question. And don't forget, guys, listen to her Ma'am Testa recommendation and her tips. So, quick note for you guys: if you guys have the same hobby as Ma'am Testa, who likes to read books, you could visit our website in our description box. So you could visit our online library. It's in on the description. Okay, so will you translate?
Nah, jadi kata Bu Pesta, kan tadi Kak Saka itu menanyakan apa sih genre kesukaan dari Bu Pesta? Nah, Bu Pesta itu menjawab, kalau misalnya buku itu bisa kita baca yang mana saja, asalkan kita itu memiliki sehat secara akademik, supaya kita itu bisa mengetahui berbagai macam informasi nih dari berbagai macam mancanegara ataupun nusantara yang di lainnya.
Okay, so let's move on to our next question.
How can we build a strong reading interest among students in this digital era?
How can we build like a strong reading interest among students in this digital era? Because in this digital era, most of the students wouldn't like to read a book. They will just like scroll phones and stuff. So how can we build a strong reading interest among them?
Maybe you can decide based on the theme. You know, theme. Let's say that on January, let's say due to para sekolah dan headmaster, they are going to talk about nothing. And on January, we talk about on March, we are talking about
Jadi Bu Pesta tuh punya nih 3 poin penting yang udah disiapin atau misalnya udah difokusin dalam penilaian kepala sekolah. Nah, yang pertama itu manajemen. Jadi mana? Manajemen waktu, mental, supervisi dari para guru-guru, serta akademik dari para siswa itu harus dipertimbangkan dan harus diperbaiki seiring berjalannya PKKS ini. Nah, yang kedua itu adalah cara menghadapi masalah. Pada contohnya itu saat ini ya, karena kita pindah dari SMP Negeri 5 Jakarta dari Pancoran hingga Kalibata, kita harus mempersiapkan gurunya, muridnya, tempatnya, dan bagaimana sih kita bisa tepat waktu dan semuanya bisa lebih efisien. Nah, yang ketiga itu adalah kompetensi dari guru-gurunya. Gimana caranya guru itu bisa untuk mendidik anak yang lebih baik, untuk bisa terus belajar dan tidak bermalas-malasan lagi.
That's right. Okay, we can move on to our fifth question.
What is the biggest challenge you often face from school when conducting PKKS assessments?
The biggest challenge.
Yeah, your biggest challenge.
Actually, I want to tell the whole some of the program. This one, it's only a PC. So you have to manipulate character in house and then sustainable or as Jakarta is a global city, everything should shine. Not only a new program, a good tomorrow, everybody work hard, it's not good. We have a program for the own village. This is the program for academy, for non-academic, this is for culture, this is for character, this is for health, and this is about something, everything is fine. We couldn't do only all these things. So if you are good in vision, and the program, yeah, I think the school is going to better. So not only the school, but every school. Every school, they have own vision, their own mission, and it's very challenging.
Michael. Thank you so much for your answer. Lastly, is that a really great way to tackle the challenge? Thank you so much.
Yeah, the way you organize it is just really great because to tackle a challenge, you gotta organize it to make it faster and to make it better. It's better to be organized. So, don't organize it.
Nah, teman-teman ya, apa sih tantangan terbesarnya bagi pesta untuk penilaian selama penilaian TKKS ini untuk di seluruh Jakarta Selatan? Nah, di rata-rata sekolah itu visinya itu ataupun manajemennya itu terkadang hanya sebuah visi yang dimana kepala sekolah ataupun kinerja dari sekolah tersebut kebanyakan ada yang menembak. Ya, pengennya untuk sekolah tuh rancang semua program-programnya untuk satu tahun itu sendiri, yang dimana kita udah mempersiapkannya dari awal hingga jika ada masalah ataupun ada penilaian dadakan itu sudah terkontrol maupun sudah terkendali.
Stay curious, keep learning, and goodbye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.